My name is Michelle Yanko. I'm in the sales department. I am the multifamily channel sales manager for molding. And I have been with Woodgrain for 4 years, but I was with the company for 11 years and then gone for about a decade or so, and then came back working for 4 years. So 15 years altogether. I like to help people. And so, as generic as that sounds, I feel really good when I work through a problem with somebody and we're trying to get, a delivery straightened out or figure out which product they want to use on their project, or some sort of struggle that comes up and we work through some sort of creative solution, stuff like that. So I guess when I'm able to connect with people and feel like I helped them, that's when I feel really good, and I can go home saying, at least I got that done and I helped that person. For someone who's interested in coming into this, I would just say to think of all of your life experiences and bring everything with you into it, and just be yourself and share your life and your experiences with whatever it is that you do in the millwork industry, because at the end of the day, it's all really related to what we do and what we see every day. I'm very proud to be with Woodgrain because all of the Woodgrain core values and the fundamentals that we believe in and that we talk about around here, I really believe that the company believes at their core. They care about people, they care about the industry. I don't know, I really love Woodgrain. That's what makes me really love being here and being part of this industry. It really is all tied around the company of Woodgrain, because I absolutely I'm very, very passionate about Woodgrain in general.